Hello everyone, this is Suruchi and you guys are watching e-learning with Suruchi. So today I came with a new tutorial that is latex. So you're able to learn latex from this particular channel. This is very helpful for you guys. So what the latex, let me tell you first. So as a science writer, you will research, write and edit scientific news articles and features for business, trade and professional publications, right? So LaTeX is a document preparation system for producing professional looking documents. So LaTeX is basically a scientific writing so that you can make your write up very beautiful and professional kind. Okay, so here as you can see a question. So in this video I'm gonna show you to write a LaTeX code to print the following poem exactly with the identical structure. So there is a poem given and I will be showing you that how I am using particular LaTeX to write this particular poem in a very proper manner and the exactly what is written over here. Okay, so what the hint is given, you may use either verbatim environment with the following delimiters, or you can type here poem, or you may use line breaking using either the following commands: type after each line or type new line at the beginning of each line and the given a space. Okay, so this was it and I'm gonna show you how you will do it. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see I have written a program. So first of all tell you I'm using Windshell to write latex. Okay, you can see you can also use TextMaker to write these programs and run it out, you will get the result, but I am feeling comfortable in using Windshell, so I'm using Windshell. So here what I have written first preamble on that. I have begin the document and started writing as you just see, and at the end what you need to do is, so yeah, I have completed this document just in this way you can see, and finally I'm going to execute it out. So how could I execute it? I will click on this execute, click on LaTeX. Let's see the output which have been came. Is there any error or not? So yeah, there is no error which has been came. Everything is okay. Now it's time to click on execute PDF view. Okay, so here I'm clicking execute and then PDF view. Let's see. So yeah, I got exactly what I want. See, so this was my video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe if you like my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification earlier and very first. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.